Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. This is not a drill. DaVinci Resolve is on iPad. It's like legitly on iPad right now. None of that, Mac to iPad loading via sidecar or anything. And just to show you, if I put my Apple Pencil on here, you should see it is fully charged when I use my Apple Pencil, actually, because this is actually pretty cool. Let's see, color page, and this is for the most part for DaVinci Resolve. I actually did a video the other day where I talked about the cut page because the cut page is what came to DaVinci Resolve. So we're going to import some media. When I import the media that's on our iPad already, honestly forgot I had some media on the iPad already. I'm glad I did. So we're going to import this and this and this. Yeah, I like being able to do all this with the Apple Pencil on DaVinci Resolve. But you know what? Let's just select all of them. And then we'll hit open. And then, yeah, we'll change. It's asking me if I want to change the frame rate ratio to match the clip. And we will do that, okay? So now let's drag some of it on our timeline. Now keep in mind, I have the M1 iPad Pro. If I had the M2, I actually could just hover over and it would play it. But I'm doing this to show you guys something, okay? Which is simply that. Okay, so this is how you go through it and whatnot. And we have everything here, just like you normally would. Now, what I want to show you guys, though, is how you export. Well, first of all, that's full screen, which is very good for playing your footage. Actually, it might be better on here than it is on the desktop, only because of the fact that if you don't have a second monitor or whatnot, but exporting is easy too. Just click export there and at the top, and then you'll get to choose what you want to export as, and then you can export. Best part about this is you can actually use your project files from DaVinci Resolve on desktop, along with you'll have version 18, because this is right now version 18. And then the inspector right here for inspector, as you can see, I can change the zoom, I can, mess about with the settings as I need to and everything. Now, see, normally on a bigger screen, I'd keep the inspector open, but I'm going to close the inspector because we're on a slightly smaller screen than on my desktop. And then here's effects. We have titles, transitions, sync, and media. So we have all those there. If we want to close it, we can just keep it like that. But I like keeping at least media open. It's just one of those personal preference things. And we have the color page here. We can mess with the gamma a bit. We can mess with the gain a bit. We can mess with offset a bit. We can also add keyer, add alpha output, and then drag this alpha output. There we go. And then, say we want to add a keyer mix. We can add this right here. So yeah, as you can see, we can do all that plain and simple. And then when we're done, we did export, or if we wanted to, we actually could do something more than just export. We could change any setting here that we wanted to whatsoever. We can change the name by clicking on that and changing the name. Normally, the keyboard would pop up, but I'm using the Apple Pencil right now, so the keyboard just isn't popping up. And yeah, there we go, plain and simple. And it is full on DaVinci Resolve. I actually think it's pretty cool that they managed to do this. Now, between you and me, I really wish that Final Cut Pro would do this, but it is what it is for now. I'm going to end it off here. Just wanted to give you guys a small taste. It should be available right now, so you should be able to just go download DaVinci Resolve for iPad and try it out for yourself. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys figured out any tips or tricks and whatnot. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.